Professor Parthasarathi Das sir, happy Teachers Day to you, and I would like to congratulate for your recent achievements such as Fellow of the Royal Society of Chemistry and Council Member as well as Bronze Medal in Chemical Research Society of India. You are one of the best mentor I have seen in my life, and you helped me a lot in my PhD career, not only in professional direction as well as in my personal life. So I would like to say all the very best for your future research in IIT Dhanbad with your young and dynamic team. Thank you very much, sir.
Good evening, sir. Happy Teachers' Day to you, and many congratulations for securing the prestigious awards which are CRSI Branch Medal and FRSC, the Fellow of Royal Society of Chemistry. Sir, you are a very special person in my life and you are everything for me because you have done a lot for me since 2011 to till date, and you used to guide me professionally as well as personally. Not only that, further you treated as me as a family member. Really, thank you very much for your guidance and support and encouragement always. And I would like to pray God to give good health to you and your family. Finally, many thanks to one and all who helped directly and indirectly in this journey. Be safe, stay healthy, take care.
Dear Dr. Parthasarathi sir, happy Teachers' Day, and congratulations for the heights recognitions you have received recently. It is very happy to work with you during my PhD. You are a great supervisor. You have given immense freedom for my research during my PhD, and I wish you a very happy and successful life ahead for you and your family. Thank you so much.
Hello sir, wish you happy and healthy Teachers' Day. Thank you sir for your kind support in my PhD career. Always you being a family member and well-wisher. I wishing you too sir achieve more and more awards in your career. Thank you sir.
Happy Teachers' Day sir. Congratulations sir for being selected as a Fellow of Royal Society of Chemistry. Thank you very much sir for your guidance, valuable suggestions and support. I feel happy being part of your group. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day. May God bless you with good health and more success. I would like to thank you for your guidance and motivation throughout my PhD. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.
How are you? I hope you and your family are in good health. A very happy Teachers' Day to you, sir. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you. I feel so proud and blessed to have been able to be to cross paths with you. It was a very short time indeed. It was just 6 months to be exact, but within this 6 months you have influenced my life immensely, encouraged me. Before I knew you, I had no idea what I'm going to do with my career because I was so confused of which subject to take for my PhD. But you showed me my goal. You make me realize my dream, which was hidden. I never realized that I really wanted to work on the subject that I'm working on until you showed me that I could work on that. So I thank you so much for being there for me, for encouraging me. And I heard that recently you have become the fellow of Royal Society of Chemistry, and it was very well deserved indeed. You have achieved so much with your hard work and dedication. I hope that someday I'll be able to become somewhat like you. I hope. I need your blessings for that. So, and I'd like to wish you a happy birthday in advance. I hope this coming year is also full of surprises, full of achievements, and a great health. Thank you, sir. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Heartily congratulations to you, sir, for this prestigious FRSC, and also in recent times you have got CRSI bronze medal. So you truly deserve all this. I know you have a very long list of awards and honors, and I'm really proud of being your student, and I'm really waiting for many more such news. And what to say, I have learned a lot of things from you, sir, in my MSc times, and really you are a great inspiration for me also, and I know definitely for my batchmates also. Now, and also your birthday is coming, so happy birthday in advance, sir. So take care, and hopefully we will meet soon when this pandemic will be over. All the best. Thank you.
Hello, sir, and first of all, wish you a very happy Teachers Day, and sir, many congratulations on being a fellow of RSC. And sir, आप एक्चुअल में हमें हमेशा इंस्पायर करते रहते हो. You are the complete meaning of a guru, a teacher, a mentor. You always keep us like inspiring us. हमेशा राइट ट्रैक पर चलने के लिए मोटिवेट करते रहते हैं. सो उसी तरह से सर अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स अपने हमारे ऊपर बनाए रखें, एंड कीप इंस्पायरिंग अस. एंड सर अपनी पार्टी पेंडिंग है अभी तक, है ना, वो करनी है अपने को. सो वंस अगेन सर, very congratulations, and many happy Teachers Day. Thank you, sir.
Heartily congratulations, sir, that you got a prestigious award, if I say, and you are the really true deserving for this prestigious award, and you are the hardworking, you are the inspiration for the students, and you are the true mentor for students, and I meet you are the best mentor that I have ever meet, and yes, you are the hardworking, and a new award in your long huge list of achievement, and I'm still waiting for your incoming achievements, and again congratulations, a heartily congratulations to you, and we know that you have the huge awards, huge list of awards, and this is the new one added in your list, and many more are coming. Yes, I know, I can say that many more are coming. So, and yes, happy birthday. I know your birthday on September, and after this bad situation with this pandemic, we will meet. Hope we'll meet again, and sure, not hope, we will sure meet again. And thank you for your support with us, and you are again, thank you very much, and stay safe. Yes.
Hello sir, this is Uma here. I hope that you are doing very well and taking care of yourself in this pandemic situation. Wishing you a very happy Teachers Day, sir, and also congratulations on being FRSC recently. I am feeling blessed and proud, just as being your student, and very pleased to see that you are accomplishing very well. Thank you, sir. Take care.
Happy Teachers Day, sir. On behalf of first batch of Medchem of IIT ISM Dhanbad, and sir, many congratulations for FRSC award, sir. सर फर्स्ट मेडकेम बैच के तरफ से सर आपको बहुत शुभकामनाएं. सर यू आर इंस्पायरेशन, यू आर होप फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ आवर बैचमेट एंड माय जूनियर्स, सर आपके विषय में ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं कह सकता हूँ, बस एक लाइन आपके लिए कहूँगा कि मेरे ख्वाबों के इस गुलिस्तान में आपसे ही तो बहार आई है. फूलों में रंग मेरे थे लेकिन पर खुशबू
Hello sir, first of all, heartiest congratulations to you on being awarded as an FRSC by the Royal Society of Chemistry, and a very happy Teachers Day to you. I hope you are doing well with your family during this pandemic, and you have guided us always like a guardian, and I hope that you guide us just the same in the years to come. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, sir. Hope you and your family are doing well even in these tough times. And congratulations on getting admitted as FRSC. Thank you.
Hello sir, happy Teachers Day. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for being elected as Fellow of the Royal Society of Chemistry. It's a huge pleasure for all of us to have the opportunity to congratulate you. Stay safe and well during this pandemic and keep showering your love and blessings to all of us. It really means a lot.
Hi sir, good afternoon, and a very happy Teachers Day to you. I just want to acknowledge to you on this auspicious occasion. Thank you sir, because whatever I'm doing now and whatever I'll be doing in my future is only because of you. Thank you for guiding me when I was in dilemma. Thank you for showing the path when I was not sure that what should I do. Thank you for everything. Thanks a lot. Take care sir, and a very happy Teachers Day to you once again.
Hello sir, hope you and your family are healthy and fit during these challenging times. Firstly, heartiest congratulations to you sir for being awarded as the FRSC by the Royal Society of Chemistry London. It is a moment of delight and pride to all of us, especially to us who are lucky enough to be a part of your group at one time. I consider myself fortunate and proud to have you as my supervisor during my masters. Your constant encouragement and motivation have instilled the passion for research in me. Sir, you have always been a constant well-wisher, advisor, motivator, and primarily the best teacher to all of us. Thereby, I wish you a very happy Teachers Day to you, sir. আপনি আর ম্যাম আমার প্রণাম নেবেন আর বোনকে আমার ভালোবাসা দেবেন. ভালো থাকবেন স্যার. Thank you.
Hello sir, we wish you a very happy Teachers Day and a happy and a healthy life ahead. We thank you for being more than a teacher to us, who taught us, guided us and inspired us. Your benevolence was always off the charts, and you took care of us as a parent and as a friend. You made us feel like home. And I would say that our batch was very lucky, and we miss you, your every story and every class that we shared with you, and would like to have an audience with you very soon and a guidance from you after all. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, sir. Wish you a very happy and a healthy life ahead. Initially, we were so intimidated by the medicinal chemistry course, but because of your great efforts, we were able to grasp everything. Thank you for being there for us. Thank you for motivating us, guiding us. You are truly an inspiration, sir. It's a saying that the universities don't achieve the acclaim just because of the historical buildings. It's because of just an outstanding faculty like you. Thank you for making us feel like home, sir, in IITSM Dhanbad, and hope to meet you soon, sir. Thank you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Happy Teachers Day, sir. Wishing you joy and happiness, and you always deserve the best, as you are the amazing teacher, and our batch are so lucky that you taught us, and we are very thankful for that. And thank you so much, sir, for everything. Thank you, sir. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, sir. Thank you for being a wonderful teacher and mentor.
Hello sir, happy Teachers Day. Hope you ma'am and he are fine in this current pandemic situation. And once again, many congratulations to you as you are selected as a fellow of the Royal Society of Chemistry. One thing I must say that you are so simple and student friendly, and that is the big asset of your personality. I feel proud to be a part of your group during our masters, and thank you, and once again happy Teachers Day. Khub bhalo thakben, take care, bye sir.
Hello sir, I am Tanoy. I hope you are all quite okay in this tough time. First of all, I want to congratulate you for your FRSC and happy Teachers Day, sir. Thank you very much for all your support and encouragement to achieve our goals, not only ours but also many of others. I have the privilege to have you as my MSc supervisor. I have learned the basics and a lot more of research work under your guidance. You have really showcased a path to begin my research career. I offer my heartfelt gratitude for supervising us. I am always proud to be a part of your MedChem group. Thank you very much, sir, for everything and for always being there. Please bless us always, and happy Teachers Day once again, sir.
নমস্কার স্যার, আশা করি আপনি এবং আপনার বাড়ির সবাই খুব ভালো আছেন। জাতীয় শিক্ষক দিবস উপলক্ষে আপনাকে জানাই সশ্রদ্ধ প্রণাম। আইআইটি আইএসএম এ থাকাকালীন আপনার মতো অভিভাবক, শিক্ষক এবং পথপ্রদর্শক পেয়ে আমি সত্যি নিজেকে ভাগ্যবান মনে করি। আপনি হলেন একটা বটবৃক্ষ, যার ছায়ায় কত ছাত্রছাত্রী আশ্রয় পেয়েছে এবং এখনো পেয়ে চলেছে। আপনাকে জানাই সশ্রদ্ধ প্রণাম এবং আপনার সুস্বাস্থ্য কামনা করি। ধন্যবাদ।
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै गुरु नमः। टीचर्स दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं सर आपको, और आप सच अ रियली ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी इन ISM who motivate to student towards the synthetic organic chemistry, and I hope your motivation and support student will teach entire the life. And I'm really very thankful to you because starting of the third semester you motivate me towards the total synthesis, and I hope in the future your guidance will keep continuous towards me, and whenever I will feel any difficulties in this complex field, I will surely approach to you. Thanks for being with us, and thanks for motivating to us towards the synthetic organic chemistry, and you really jam for the total synthesis of the natural product. Thank you so much, sir. Once again, happy Teachers Day.
Respected and dear sir, wishing you happy Teachers' Day and pray for your good health. Thank you for being guiding us and inspiring us a lot to do well in studies.
Hello, sir. Happy Teachers' Day to you. I'm lucky to have a wonderful teacher like you. Thanks for supporting and enlightening all my way. And also thank you for all those $1,000,000 stories, which has always inspired me. Happy Teachers' Day to you, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir, and congratulations for your recent achievement in RSC. Hope you're doing well. I just want to thank you for making medicinal chemistry a lot more easier and understandable for us. I had a vague idea about medicinal chemistry, but after attending all your classes, I can feel a connection with it. And I am so grateful to have you as my medicinal chemistry teacher. You supported us a lot, you inspired us a lot, and genuinely you are a great teacher from my opinion. And once again, thank you, sir. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Hello sir, congratulations, many congratulations for selected as a fellow of the Royal Society of Chemistry. It's my pleasure to have in your group. We are always feel proud to have a guide like you. Your motivational word always inspired us. A guide like you is a blessed for all of us. You are not only a supervisor, you are friend, philosopher and guide. In every situation you are there for us. So thank you so much sir. And wishing you a happy, healthy Teachers' Day. On this special day, we are not there. We are missing you, sir. I am missing so many things, especially the late night decoration, morning celebration, and evening samosa party. Everything I am missing it. But this year it's not possible. But definitely next year we will celebrate it. ভালো থাকবেন, আপনিও ম্যাম আমার প্রণাম নেবেন, দেখা হচ্ছে। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Happy Teachers Day, sir. Wishing you a happy and healthy life. I am lucky to be a part of your group. You always told that you are a biological father of us. Yes, you supported like a father and motivate us to do hard work in your life for success. Thank you.
Hello sir, hope you are having a broad smile while you are watching this. Needless to say, in the tough times, it was your constant support and motivation that kept us going and made us believe that everything will be okay. More than a guide, you have always been a friend to us with whom we have shared anything and everything. You have always protected us like a true guardian. You and ma'am have given us immense love and care, just like a family. I just hope that we always keep up to your expectations and never let you down. I hope we will make you proud. A very happy Teachers' Day to you, sir. Thank you.
Hi, I am saying about him who always supports us in every situation. If I say in one sentence about him, he is student friendly, dedicated, energetic, knowledgeable, inspiring, just molded in one person, whose talks always catalyze us to achieve our goal. He is none other than our teacher, guide, philosopher, Dr. Parthasarathi Das. Happy Teachers' Day, sir. We are really missing you very much. Hope we will be together very soon. Stay well, sir. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, sir. And
congratulations for becoming a FRSC. May God bless you.
Hello sir, hope to be safe and healthy. First of all, congratulations on your achievement. I'm lucky to have such kind of leadership in my tenure. Now the real words, truthfully, saying that I don't have words to express my gratitude towards you. I still remember it was just yesterday when I met you hesitantly, and Vibha ma'am told me that Arveshi, you need to work with Partha sir, and now you'll work with Partha sir. It's almost 4 years now. So I'm thankful to you sir that it was you who was always beside me all along in my all ups and downs, good and bad. And I can say your inspirational and motivational ideas made me learn that yes, Urushi, each failure is also a result. So I can say that I'm thankful to you sir for getting me over the hurdles and having faith in my abilities, having the skills to get me where I needed to go. Yes, it was your continuous support, endless patience and thorough guidance which make me to complete my journey in a very influential and excited way. Thank you so much sir. Happy Teachers Day.
This occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to sing a few lines. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Thank you, sir, for teaching me that there is no substitute to hard work, that we need to work hard and be the best at what we do. Thank you, sir, for making me a better person. I really wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.